You want to burn and tighten that butt? Well, this is the workout for you. I'm Joel and I'm here with Elise. This workout is very intense, it's very short, and let's get started. You want to come down to all fours and you want to lift this knee all the way up and drop it all the way back down. If this is hard on your knees, just get a towel and put it underneath your knees. And lift. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We got the other side. Let's go. 7, all the way up. 6, stick with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right away. Lift this leg all the way up. You want to keep it in a right angle. Bring it all the way back where you started. All the way up. All the way back. All the way up. For 10, 9, 8, 7, stomach in. 6, keep breathing. 5, look straight down. 4, 3, 2, now what are you going to do here? You're going to hold it all the way up and you're going to pulse 1 inch. You're going to flex that foot 1 inch up, 1 inch down. Pull your stomach in. For 10, 9, 8, 7, squeeze, 6, 5, 4, make it burn, 3, 2, and 1. Let's move it right away to the other side. Don't lose a beat. You got 12 more. 7, 6, all the way up. 5, 4, 3, 2. What do we have now? Those pulses for 10 and 9. Make it burn. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You got it. 2 and 1. And drop and lift that knee all the way back up. Now you're going to bring this knee all the way over to this side and then all the way up. All the way over, all the way up. For 8, 7, squeeze. 6, 5, don't rock, Elise. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Switch sides, all the way up, cross that knee on the other side, and all the way back up, all the way over. For 10, 9, all the way up. Where are we? 5 more steps. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You get a stretch here. It's real quick, but it works. You spread your fingers all the way out. You keep your elbows soft. You curl your toes under, and you gently lift all the way up and drive your heels all the way down. Really breathe. Now you're going to take your right foot and wrap it around your left foot and use that added weight to drive that heel all the way down. And switch sides, Elise. This stretch is great. I do it all the time. If you run or you're on the treadmill, this is a really good stretch to stop and do. It opens up those calves and it opens up those hamstrings. And release. Come all the way back down. Now you're going to take this leg and you're going to bring it all the way over here. You're going to keep your leg straight the whole time. You're going to flex your foot and then you're going to point it at an angle way over there. Flex it and point it for 10 and 9, point, and 8 and 7, stomach in, and 6 and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Right away to the other side. Flex and point. Flex and point. Get that movement. Feels good, doesn't it? For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right away. You're going to lift this leg all the way up. You're going to put your shin on your opposite calf like that. That's the starting point. And then you lift this leg all the way up with your heel at an angle. All the way back down and all the way back up. For 12, 11, 10, 9, don't rock. 8, 7, a little higher. 6, 5, squeeze. 4, 3, 2. What do we do now? We hold it all the way up and we pulse up there. For 12, 11, 10, 9, move it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop and switch. Let's go all the way up and drop for 12. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold it all the way up. We got those pulses. Make it burn a little more. Come on, you got 10 more seconds. Stick with me. 8 more seconds. 7, come on, higher. 6, you can do it. I know it. I'm watching you. You can do it. You can do it. Let's go for 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Now we work for a stretch. Let's do it. You want to swing all the way around. Bring your fingertips backwards. You want to keep your elbows soft here. You want to plant this foot, lift your tailbone up in the air, take this leg, and slowly drop all the way down to where it feels good. Everybody's a little bit differently. So if this is hard for you, walk your hands back here. But if it's easy, walk your hands all the way up here. And switch sides. For 5, 4, 3, keep breathing, 2, and 1. And straighten your legs all the way out, shake them out, get that blood flowing. That was a great butt workout. You know what? I'm gonna see you back here in a couple of days because you wanna give that butt a rest and you wanna come back after about 48 hours. Have a great day. Good workout.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.